Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, and this is your November 11th, 2015 midday market report. If you're not already a member, go ahead and give us a visit, www.thetradinganalyst.com. You can start receiving alerts today. So we're going to take a look at the Apple chart here really quick. I'm going to go over Apple, Facebook, the S&P 500, Google, let's see, possibly Netflix as well. So I'm going to go over a bunch of different charts right here. So first, we're going to go over Apple. We broke over this mini downtrend line right here, and we broke back over yesterday's close right there. This is the 15-minute chart right here, okay? So this is yesterday's close. We broke over that, all right, and we rebounded nicely, okay? Double bottom right here. Confirmed double bottom break as we broke over this level right here, okay? See how that's a nice little W? Okay, and then we broke over that double bottom with a break over this level right here. So moving forward, we've got resistance at 118 on Apple, okay? If we can break over 118, then we can come up here and tag 120, okay? Keep in mind that overall Apple is looking kind of bearish at the moment, okay? It's got this downtrend line that it still has to overcome, and it has big resistance at 120, okay? So if we can break over 118, I think we can tag 120, but then I'm going to wait to see what kind of reaction we get at that 120 level, okay, as well as this downtrend line, okay. We've got a little bit of a gap fill just above 120, so it might come up there and fill it and then end up popping back below that 120 level. But those are the levels. This is the downtrend line that it broke over. As long as it's holding over this level, about 116.30 or so, I'm going to say that Apple is going to be heading higher, but again, it needs to hold that level, and if it does, we can tag this 118 level, okay? I'm going to cover BIDU. All right, really nice break on BIDU. We got into some calls on the break over this resistance right here. Really nice break. We did it on some nice volume as well, okay? Two nice big volume bars on the 15-minute chart right here. We're targeting the gap fill on the daily chart at, see if I can get it up there for you guys. Okay, there's a gap over here. This is the daily chart. There's a gap up here at 206.25, okay? We filled this gap from this candle, and now there's a gap up there to fill, and we're breaking out of this little bull flag right there, and we should target that 206 area. I think you can get tagged pretty soon. Next, I'm going to be looking at, let's look at Google. Okay, Google, another really nice break over the previous highs. Okay, these are the previous all-time highs over here at 766.35, and so we broke over that. As you can see, it was fighting at that level, okay, and then it finally broke over that level, and it did so with some pretty decent volume as well. So bullish look on Google heading forward, as long as it remains above this level right here. I'm going to look at Facebook really quick, and then last but not least, I'm going to look at the S&P 500. So Facebook right here, a nice support. Sorry about that. Nice support down here at the 105.70 level, and then we broke over this resistance right here today. Next resistance, we already broke over that, and now we're coming up to the next resistance right here at about 109.50, and we're over that right now. Okay, next resistance moving forward is going to be up here near the highs at 110.60. Okay, not sure that we can break over that today, but it certainly is possible. You don't want to rule anything out, but I definitely like Facebook here for a long. I mentioned in the videos I did yesterday. So Facebook looks good, but again, I don't want to push it too far past these highs. I think it's kind of reached its range once it gets up to this level up here past 110. That's just for today. Could head higher in the following days. Okay. Taking a look at the S&P 500. Okay. We've got this downtrend line to contend with. All right. It's still valid. Okay. And then we've got also this uptrend line, which is valid as well. This is the more important line because it's been valid for about, what is this, 6 days right now. Okay, so the S&P 500 is following this angle right here. You can also consider this a little bit of a bear flag right here. Bear flag, bear channel, whatever you want to call it. Okay, the trend was down, and now we are consolidating in the direction against the trend. Okay, so definitely got to be careful with the S&P 500 above this 209 area. We do have a gap up here at 210 to fill, and that's kind of my level where if it breaks over that 210 level, then I think we are headed higher. But until then, I think the S&P 500 is going to get rejected around this level between 209.20 and 210. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two, go ahead and give us a visit, www.thetradinganalyst.com. We have a 7-day free trial. You're not only going to be making money from the alerts that we're giving you, but you also have the opportunity to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day focusing on trader education and making you a more profitable and consistent, successful trader. We'll see you over there.